if we can turn the front tire the other way so it stops going to the left so much. Maybe that's what's going to help it. Let's try that again. Now it just wants to go right. So what is it, guys? What is it, guys? Can we find some kind of compromise? Let's try it again. Now it wants to. Neither wants to go too left or too right. What is it with everything? Why can't we just have some middle of the road situation here? No. And you can't just throw it because that doesn't work. I have never been able to do a hand launch successfully with this plane. Ever. Let's try one. No. Okay, well. It seems to me that this setup is probably not going to work out, guys. All I can do is try one more hand launch to see if that does anything, but I doubt it. So this motor may be completely off balance, and so maybe we won't be able to do. As you can see there, that was a very cool maneuver, but that was unintended. And so basically the whole system is off when it comes to balance. So it will not fly. It will not fly. So that's fine. That's why I brought the other bird, so that hopefully at least one of these two is going to do a good job today. And we'll get that one in the air. This is obviously unbalanced. So turn off the remote here. Get the other one. Let's get up and running, guys. Let's get up and running. Okay. Do a quick switcheroo on the remote. And we will be back in the air with this bird, hopefully. And if I remember correctly, that one flies beautifully, so hopefully it'll continue to do so. Now, there we go. I like to put away my stuff before I start working with new stuff. So, it is a little bit windy today, so the characteristics of everything that's going on may be a little skewed. But since we know that, it should be okay, because we're going to try our best to take that into account. Here we go. Battery is in. And power is on. So we should be getting control surfaces, but we're not. Alright, try that again. Disconnect and reconnect. Anything? Okay, now we've got something going on. Right, there we go. Something going on. Anyway, here we go. I've not flown this in a while, but we'll keep the camera in the shade, and hopefully we'll have a good flight this time. Let's see. Up, up, left and right. Wow. That's not how I want to.